I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys. How's it going, YouTube? We're looking at Hbar today on the daily time frame. Yesterday's dump pretty much invalidated. But please be aware there could be another dump along the way because we have two fundamental news events today. One's in about an hour and 15. Well, I shouldn't even be saying that because it's probably come out before already. Because I'm recording this as of, if you can see down there, 11:52. But I think the fundamental news events are about 1:15 and 3 p.m. today. So that's GMT, that's the British time, well, London time, whatever you want to call it, Greenwich Mean Time. But for me, Wednesdays anyway, it's a no trade day. And then we've got a fundamental news event anyway. So that's why I won't be trading on top. So these are just simply the days you want to avoid. It's all about self-discipline, guys. If you can't do that, if you can't not force yourself to not trade, then you'll never be a success, guys. You have to find those moments where it's better not to trade. It's better to preserve the capital. That's what I teach about in my course, in my mentorship, and I've made it easier for you guys to take action. I've got 2 slots available. Once they're gone, I won't be able to teach for a good few months. So please take action on these 2 slots. Again, you can take action by hitting the information button in the top right corner or in the description or comment section pinned down below. So you can click my link tree, will take you either to my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram where you can get started. But you can just head over to my buy me a coffee thing over here and go, whether it's the extras, book in just 1 session if you wanted, or look for the mentorship and the FX course over here. But if you want to get into contact me, it's crypto Twitter over here or simply Instagram over here. So yeah, I'll play a little clip at the end of the video to make it easier for you. But let's head back to Hbar on the daily time frame. So this 5-6 month support over here needs to continuously hold. We actually have retested it today, so I do like that we've done that. It means that we have come back to the golden pocket. Yes, it's a little bit off with this 0.5 and 0.618. This is a separate one, so for now I'll get rid of that. But yeah, we could still be coming down to 5 cent, even below this, which is 5.5, could go down to 5 cent. But beautiful that we made a new higher high. It means that we're actually technically weekly and daily bullish. So even though we're coming down, we've lost the support over here, this resistance now support. It really doesn't matter. We're coming down, resetting this market, probably just coming back down to here to then continue onwards and upwards. We can see now you've actually retested the 618 over here as support. Now you shouldn't have done this. Shouldn't have even pushed above it. So the fact that we did push above it and now all we're doing is coming back down to reset. Look, it's been a straight line down, guys. No pullbacks. This is not just like here. This is not the best. We want to see pullbacks. So over here, this was like a sideways correction. Are we going to be doing a sideways, or are we going to come back up towards the 786 fib at 7 cent, this psychological level? If I were to see price getting above 7 cent, I would believe we are heading back to the 1 fib level at 8.5 cent. So that would be if price is climbing back above 7 cent, which would be above every single one of these moving averages. And when you get above the moving averages, you see what happens. So currently we are below. So instead of up, we should be going down and down and down and continuing lower and lower and lower. But currently we're holding this key area of support that's going to give us this opportunity of a bounce. But please be aware with the 2 fundamental news events today, I personally won't be trading. I'm probably done for the week. I already took I think I took 3 trades this week, all profitable. So that was a really great week for me. So yeah, I'm just not going to give back the money that I've just earned. Forget that. Forget that. But holding this golden pocket is going to allow us to head towards 10, 14, 20, 25 and 30 cent. Sounds so stupid. That could be over a year away, 2 years away. I have no clue. Anyone that says that they have a clue is simply lying to you. If you're aware of anyone that you watch that's giving you time scales on stuff, you shouldn't be listening to them. Please learn it for yourself. Even I know a lot of you don't even watch anyone else bar me. That's not good as well. You need to look. You need to watch other people, see other people's opinions. How did I learn? That's what I was doing. I had my mentor, and I learned from my mentor. Not everything, but the basis. And because I then had the basis, watching everyone else became like a free course. I could start to see who's legit, who's not, and so on and so forth. So again, if we want to continue up to these price targets much higher, technically you can drop all the way down to the 382 fib, which is 5 cent pretty much exactly. So I could even mark out the 5 cent psychological level if I wanted to over here. But then, yeah, we're just getting a little bit too many lines. Doesn't matter, but yeah, here we go. And then I'll place those old fibs, well, actually more recent ones, knowing that this is topped out because I can see price coming back down. We've got this golden pocket between 6, 5.2 and 6. But yeah, we've got that psychological level of 5 cents just there. So it's a big area of support, guys. It's a massive area of support. As long as we hold this, we should be expecting higher price targets. But yeah, again, with these fundamental news events, it looks like it's going to want to price to dump. So just be aware of trading today. I'm just sitting back. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the week. I'll just make these videos for you guys and teach my mentorship students. But again, yeah, I've invested. I'm happy with what I've invested so far. Again, we are above the golden pocket. We've created the reversal wave. We should not even be up here. So the fact that we're coming back down, for me, is just a signal of resetting this, because we've just gone up too aggressively. Let's now reset that. Yes, we could come to 5.2, 5 and even 4.5. Yes, you'd be losing the golden pockets, but technically you can still. By the time you do that, you're going to have bearish crosses as well, signaling we're going lower than this. But we need to wait for that. I think that as long as we are above this, none of the bearish things that I've said today should happen, because we're currently above that summer low. It means, guys, it means that the FTX capitulation was a bear trap. Yes, you are correct. For those people out there saying this could eventually be a bull trap as well, correct. But until the moment we are losing this golden area, losing 5 cents, losing 4.5 cents, I'm not going to have this belief whatsoever. I don't care how many things that you can show me. I'm not going to believe it until key fib levels are lost. Because the fib levels are here for a reason. It's telling me these are key areas of support which we should be bouncing from. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I've pushed, I'm measuring this to find where we're retracing to. We're retracing to the golden pocket. And so after meeting that, we should bounce. We should be looking for bullish patterns from here. We should be looking for higher lows and so forth. And we need to see breaks of the moving averages, because we're currently below them, signaling lower lows. So technically already, if you're confident in listening to these moving averages, then do this. If you're super confident, I'm not doing this, but if you are, do it. Enter your shorts now then, because we are underneath these moving averages. The moment you go above them, you should be entering your longs. So now we're below them, enter your shorts, because that's actually a signal that we should be going lower than 3.5 cents. But I want to see if that will be the truth, or is this again another bear trap? Because that's what happened over here. There was more reasonings to go lower and lower over here than what's going on over here. First of all, the second biggest crypto exchange was a scam. So surely the whole market, all the players in the market would do bank runs with the exchanges. It wasn't even the case. Yes, one went down. No one even knew about it. So I forgot even what the name was. When I forgot. Yeah. Literally, I forgot what it was called. It was a trashy exchange. I think there wasn't even a million on it. So no one actually gave two about it. But yeah, I was actually anticipating way more bank runs, but it didn't even occur. And we've completely invalidated all of that. And we've reclaimed it, and it looks like we're just touching it as support over here, flipping where the FTX capitulation began into support. I'm hoping so. Well, again, I don't really care if we go lower than 3.5 cents, but for the bulls out there, I'm hoping that we do continue up. And all this is a first wave, so we're just correcting now to key levels of support. Again, this is just a retracement for the continuation of our uptrend because of this massive pump. Equally, lose all of these key levels, the green lines included, then we start to create the reversal wave. Then it looks like these turn into resistance, and then we can focus on these targets down there. But I'm not looking at them whatsoever right now. I have cash on the side, as always, to buy lower. I have cash on the side, as always, to buy higher. I really don't care, because for me, as long as Hbar is under 60 cents, yeah, 60, that's a 10x from here. As long as Hbar is under 60 cents, I'm going to be buying just the same at 60 cents as down here at 6 cents, as down there at 3 cents. So this is the point. The bull market is going to be many years away from the top. So all we're doing right now is the groundwork, and we won't see serious gains for many years. We could be going in, we could have a correction that lasts 6 months right now and still go up. So this is what I mean. There's no rush at all whatsoever, guys. This is a slow, long and grueling process. I've been here 4 years plus now. So I've had the whole bull market, I've had a whole bear market. I know this is going to take a lot of time, and all you're doing right now is the groundwork. Look, the first time I was aware of Bitcoin, not aware, I knew it for many years, but the first time I got involved was about 6,000, and I didn't have any money whatsoever, not even £1,000 to my name. But I only went in with my first 1,000 at 9k Bitcoin. That wasn't the bottom was 3k, and I still got in at 9k. And the first time I bought some alts was when Bitcoin was 20k, the second time at the all-time high, breaking past. And I still did 30 X's on multiple, well, on a single coin. I did multiple 10 X's on other coins, even though I only bought them for the very first time once Bitcoin was at new all-time highs at 20,000. So again, guys, this is what I mean. Chill out. We're so early. We've still got 3-4 years. It's blessed. Literally nothing to stress about. When you're in the bull market, I was just doing nothing. I was just doing nothing all day. I was just waking up to money. And yeah, it was really lovely, honestly. And I was teaching all my friends. I didn't have YouTube at the time, so I was just teaching my friends, mentoring my mates, and then helping them with the group chat. I was trying to get them. I had about 5 students that I was trying to get into Bitcoin at about 10,000. Unfortunately, they didn't want to listen to me, and they got in at 16,000. Still great entry. And these were all just friends and friends of friends. I used to have a group chat with over 50 people, even without a YouTube, which is hilarious in the bull market. So this is something that I'm definitely going to be doing. But I want markets to be going up in a market where we know, okay, consistently we are going to be going higher and higher and higher over the next months. But still, right now, we're not so aware. We could be dumping and losing this golden pocket and losing 4.5 cent, and heading to new lows at 2, 1, whatever cent it is. But if we are to break this high, which we actually already have for Hbar over here, we just haven't seen it for Bitcoin. We haven't seen it for ETH. We need those coins to start doing it. But it's great that we've seen Hbar put in a new higher high. Yes, it could be a fake out, just like the top in 2021, where we had a higher high fake out and it ended up being the top. This could be the case as well. But again, it's all about the key levels of support being held. Can we put higher lows? And if that's the case, and we do actually break above 10 cent, this is going to be beautiful. I'll be opening up my chat again. I'm in the process of making an ebook. I've got my course at the moment that's currently 50% off. Not currently, 50% off permanently for anyone that wants to take action on the course. You can do so through my link tree, again, top right corner or description or comment section underneath the video. And you can go over to my Instagram or my Twitter, or even on the link tree, there's the buy me a coffee, buy me a beer, or whatever it is, and you can click that and it will take you over here, and you can just go through the page, and everything you need is on the post. So here we have a student that in the last 2 days made 63%, another student that of course took trade and was explaining everything. So yeah, if you want to be part of the community, there's 70 people in there trading every day and helping each other out. Just private message me on my Instagram or my Twitter, which you can find. Louis.crypto is my Insta, and Louis_crypto is my Twitter. Don't forget, I just passed my funded challenge, so technically I'm a professional trader. This trader has earned the title of an official first-class Forex fund professional trader, passed on March the 2nd, 2023. So this month I'm officially, well, I need to like those comments. Sorry guys, didn't even see it. But there you go. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Dougie. And thank you, Andre, because I know that's Andre. But Andre, probably. But thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. I hope you guys take action. And I see you in my Discord community where we can grow to 100 students. That would be amazing. Thank you, guys. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action. Whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship, simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. Will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. But going to bookings over here, you can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.